Thank you for being here with us once again. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best RC cars. 2026, what you get at each price level explained. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help you choose. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind, this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Traxxas 2 WDB-L2S 1/10. Brushless short course truck is built for drivers who want speed, durability, and easy control right out of the box. It features a 3,300 kilovolt brushless motor and BL2S waterproof electronic speed control, delivering strong acceleration, reliable power, and low maintenance performance on multiple surfaces. The clipless body system provides a clean look with fast, tool-free removal for quick battery changes and maintenance. Reinforced body structure, heavy-duty tubular front and rear bumpers, and a modular composite chassis help absorb impacts and handle hard driving sessions with confidence. Oil-filled shocks and progressive springs improve stability and smooth out rough terrain. The full-size 2.4 GHz TQ radio system offers precise, long-range control and includes 3 drive modes: Sport, Race, and Training mode, which limits power for beginners. A heavy-duty metal gear transmission, planetary differential, and torque control slipper clutch ensure dependable traction and strength. Compatible with NIMH or 2 SLIPO batteries, it's easy to set up and ready for action. Number 4. The WLToys 124017V 2112 brushless RC buggy is built for speed, control, and serious off-road performance. Powered by a 2845 to 4300 kV brushless motor with an independent receiver and 45 amp ESC, it can reach speeds up to 75 km per hour, delivering fast acceleration and smooth throttle response for hobby-grade drivers. Its full metal drivetrain and high-strength aluminum alloy chassis provide durability and stability under high stress, while the 4x4 system and independent suspension help it handle dirt, gravel, grass, and uneven terrain with confidence. This makes it ideal for both open road runs and off-road action. The 2.4 GHz controller offers stable, interference-free control with a range of about 100 meters and includes a built-in phone holder for added convenience. The package comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for longer driving sessions and more fun between charges. A great choice for RC enthusiasts who want power, speed, and rugged construction in one ready-to-run package. Number 3. The MJX HyperGo 14207 1/14 brushless 4x4 RC truck is designed for drivers who want extreme speed, strength, and upgrade potential in a ready-to-run package. It comes equipped with a powerful 2,854,200 kV brushless motor, 50 ampere ESC, and independent receiver, delivering aggressive acceleration and high efficiency. With an optional 3S battery, it can reach speeds up to 78 km per hour. Built for hard driving and bashing, it features a reinforced drivetrain with metal gears, steel driveshaft, and impact-resistant bumpers, giving you confidence on high-speed runs and rough landings. The 6061 aluminum alloy chassis with center support and composite bracing adds rigidity and durability under stress. Large 111mm all-terrain tires provide strong grip on grass, gravel, dirt, sand, mud, and even snow. Adjustable hydraulic shocks and performance tires help reduce vibration and keep the truck stable and controllable at speed. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers long-range control, light functions, steering trim, and a throttle limit mode, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. A fast, tough, and highly capable RC truck built for serious fun. Number 2. The UDRC-1610S1-16 brushless 4WDRC monster truck is built for pure adrenaline, delivering extreme speed and stunt performance straight out of the box. With a 2.845-4700 kV brushless motor and 60 ampere programmable ESC, it reaches over 90 kilometers per hour and is powerful enough to perform standing backflips and massive jumps in stock setup. Its full chromium steel CNC machined drivetrain removes weak points by using hardened steel differentials, pinion and spur gears, bevel gears, and CVD shafts, giving you maximum durability under high stress and high speed runs. This is a true hobby-grade drive system made for aggressive driving. The programmable ESC lets you fine-tune throttle response, braking strength, drag brake, and low voltage cutoff, so you can match the truck to your driving style and track conditions for smoother control or explosive launches. Independent suspension with aluminum oil-filled shocks, reinforced towers, and foam-filled pre-glued tires help absorb heavy impacts and keep the truck stable on rough terrain. The 2.4 GHz radio system with ultra-fast response and multiple channels ensures precise, interference-free control at all times. A top choice for drivers who want speed, strength, and stunt capability in one package. Number 1. The Rlaarlo 1/10 brushless 4-wheel drive monster truck is built for drivers who want high speed, premium materials, and race-level control. Powered by a 3,652,650 kV brushless motor with metal heatsink and cooling fan, it delivers speeds above 50 miles per hour with strong, consistent performance and improved heat management. It comes equipped with a 60 ampere ESC, 5-channel independent receiver, and a high-torque 11-kilogram metal gear servo with integrated gyroscope, giving faster response, better steering stability, and more precise handling at high speed. The drivetrain is engineered for efficiency and strength, featuring CNC machined central differential components, hardened differential shaft, and precision-cut gears for smooth power transfer and reduced noise. A reinforced front bumper adds extra protection during aggressive runs. Durability is a key highlight, with a hardened aluminum alloy chassis, carbon fiber upper plate and shock towers, and reinforced suspension arms for tough terrain use. Multi-terrain airless tires and adjustable oil-filled shocks provide grip and control on grass, gravel, and dirt. A powerful competition-style RC truck ready for serious action. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.